Hi! In today's video, we will follow a step-by-step tutorial for SaaS Business. The first step in establishing a SaaS company is developing an idea. This process involves coming up with a software application that people will use. Validate your solution with potential customers. Doing so will help you determine if the solution is needed and whether the people would pay for it. After validating your idea, build a high-quality software application that will meet the needs of your customers. This process involves developing a well-designed and functional software that will help them improve their experience. The next step is to develop a marketing strategy that will help you reach out to potential customers. This could involve developing a website and launching an ad campaign on various social media platforms. After you have acquired a few customers, you must then focus on retaining them by providing them good customer service. Final factor that you should consider is managing your cash flow. This is especially important since many companies that use a subscription-based model for their business operate with a tight budget. Having a well-defined and organized budget is very important to ensure that you can manage your expenses and revenues. Doing so will allow you to start a successful and profitable software business. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about SaaS for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.